Harish Kumar from TSWRS Hyderabad School. I am sharing about a crazy story with you. One day, my grandpa brought a new bike and he did puja to bike. After that puja, he traveled here and there and everywhere. After some time, I asked keys because I wish to ride on bike. He didn't give keys to me because I am not perfect to ride on bike. And after I request few minutes to grandpa, give me keys. Grandpa, please give me keys. Grandpa, please give me keys. He gave keys and told go slowly on road. I started bike and I'm going slowly, but I excited to go fast. And I slowly increased the speed and I'm going fast. I can't balance. I shake here and there and I fall down on road. Bike is damaged, but I am safe because I wear helmet. After some time, my grandpa saw and he angry on me. He shouted at me and he told, first you practice and I ride on bike. I understood. Right practice man makes perfect. This is my crazy story of my life. Thank you for giving this small opportunity to me.